Hello and welcome to kiiff.com. I'm Zach. In this video, we're going to create an FTP account to a subdirectory or a subdomain. Alright, let's get started. We start here in the client area of kiiff.com. Our web hosting is kiiff.net and we have the starter package. On the right, we're going to log into cPanel. Inside cPanel, I have already created a subdomain, but we can go under domains and go to subdomain and see that I have created test.kiiff.net. Alright, so this is the subdomain that we're going to create an FTP account to. So in our case, if we go back home into the file manager, in the file manager of kiiff.net here, we have the home directory. In the home directory, all the files for kiiff.net would be inside this public.html folder. In our case, it's empty. Now, we want FTP access, or to give out FTP access, to only test.kiiff.net. So only this folder right here. Alright, so to do that, at the top here, click on FTP Accounts. Alright, we'll create a login name for them, so we'll call them user test. And then we select the domain. So our domain is going to be test.kiiff.net. When we select that, it automatically populates the directory where test.kiiff.net, the subdomain, is. Alright, then we set a password and repeat the password. Should match up here. Alright, and create FTP account. Alright, so the account has been created. User test is our login, and we've set a password, and we see that the path of this user or of this account goes into kiiff.net/user test. Let's go back now into the file manager. Go to test.kiiff.net, and there's our folder, user test. So in fact, what we have done is created the FTP account that goes inside of test.kiiff.net, right? Just inside here. If you wanted to have it to just the subdirectory, you can select test.kiiff.net, and then when you create the username for it, username 1, let's say, you can delete just that at the end and have it be just like that with a backslash and nothing after. Then when we create it, we'll just go ahead and go through this. Okay, create FTP account. At the bottom, it now has access to test.kiiff.net. We'll go back, close that out into the file manager, test.kiiff.net, and there is the FTP quota for the second FTP account created, called I think we called it user 1 or username 1, and then we have user test right there. Alright, so that is how to create FTP accounts to subdirectories or subdomains. Thanks for watching.